Alright, so today we're here back in the city of Mississauga. We're here to take this chimney down around maybe 12 courses. Afterwards we're going to try and repair some of these bricks. It's in a bit of bad condition. We're just going to repair these ones, bring this down, bring the cap down, just try if we can save it. If not, we have to replace it with a different one. Yeah, so that's what's coming up in today's video. With no further ado, let's dive right into the video. Get the thing rolling. This is her. We're just setting up our scaffolding right now. We're gonna cover our roof with our Tyvek. That way we can help. Alright, no matter, look like me, I get ya. I get ya. Watch it, Karen, and take up. Put on this outside, I'll read it. Take off this. Go ahead, stick it. Nobody push on it, something, you know, just take your time and push it. Go back. Up in the air, like I go straight up like. Ready? Yeah. Up. Okay. Ready? Up. Can raise you up one more? You can raise you up one more if you want, you know. It's easier to operate. You want to still have a look. Bucket is an empty bucket ready. To come down to some solid bricks now. Slowly we're getting better and better. You see this one here? This one here is solid. You need to save a few bricks. This is where we're at right now, guys. As you see around here, pretty much okay. In my opinion, if this was mine, I would take the entire thing down. But the client is on a budget. This is what he want to do. But removing those bricks wasn't a part of my contract or our agreement here. But personally, I can't leave these. Originally, I supposed to bring it down right to the level of this. Now I'm gonna take these bricks out, just basically do it for free. Remove these bricks, cut these bricks out, and change them, which would be the hardest part of the job. But you know, sometimes you win some, you lose some. You can't be too exact on yourself. So all I'm gonna do now, we're gonna remove a few of these bricks, and afterwards we're gonna come right back and install the capping. Now I want to cut a piece of this guy off, bring it back down to the level of where it was before. So guys, this is a whole bunch of extra work that I take up on myself. My client only wants me to bring it up to the level, but in my opinion, he's gonna call out another contractor out here within the next year or so after winter, and the summer started to defrost the brick. The brick started to defrost in the summertime. It's all gonna scramble, and the same thing gonna happen again. So it takes me a few minutes to cut out everything, bring it down. Now we're gonna bring it back up right up to the top. And now we remove all the bricks that is deteriorating. As you see here, it's all solid bricks right now, come all the way up. Sometimes you just have to, you know, do a bit of free work here and there, because not always, you know, all client will be able to afford to pay you. I'm just saying this for some trade guys who is watching the video. You know what I mean? The Lord will bless you. Later on you will get it back in return. So we're doing all this for free right now. Hopefully we can find enough brick to fill in all those gaps. Yeah. This way the client don't have to call me back or call some other contractor within the next year or two to do some form of maintenance or some form of repair on this chimney. All right, let's keep going. So this is where we're at now, guys. I didn't realize that my camera wasn't recording.
but we'll work our way up. We have maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more coastal brick to lay. Third, we're gonna put on our cap.
Well, there you have it, guys. Hope you get value from this video. If you do get value from this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more upcoming video like this one. Thank you for watching as always, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.